So a lot of times people tend to read slower than what most people would do if they were engaged in a conversation. And so the tempo of your read is going to vary from slow to fast because a lot of times we're not even thinking about when we're telling a story, we're not even thinking about our tempo. And so you have to take those words that are on the page and to create that story, and that story will just flow along a tempo. So you probably, if you have the right words that you're emphasizing, you probably won't even have to really think about the tempo because those words that you're emphasizing will be the highlights and the peaks of everything that you're going to be voicing, and the rest of the copy will follow as needed, as necessary. So in order to highlight or emphasize a word, you're going to want to inflect upward just a touch, not too dramatically. You don't want to emphasize from here to here, because that would mean that you're always surprised or happy or excited, and not every part of the story is probably at that level. So you want to be able to inflect to emphasize that word just a touch, maybe a half a note or a note like a C to a C sharp or a C to a D. And then you also, in order to emphasize it, you want to be able to elongate that word, meaning just let that word be the whole note in the melody. So the whole note, just like I just said, the whole note, which the words are lasting a little bit longer, that helps to emphasize them better. So inflect upward just a touch, and then also elongate those words that you want to have emphasized.